Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I want to do a review of some can spray paint that I have that I want to spray this grill here. It's kind of got some rust spots on it. It's kind of got some dirt and grime on it. It's been left out in the weather and I just want to do a review of this spray paint that I have to try to redo this grill and kind of give it a little bit more life and a little bit better color. I'm going to try to move this camera up a little bit so you can kind of get a look of what's going on with this grill. As you can see how it's got dirt and grime down there, scratches on it. So come on up, got a little rust on there, a little dirt and grime. I did wipe some of this off. I've already covered the handles with tape. As you can see, I'm gonna move on around a little bit, kind of shaded. You can see the rust kind of on that table end of that grill. As we kind of move on around, kind of give you a look at what kind of condition this grill is in. It's not in bad shape, but it's not in the best of shape. So I just want to get this paint and spray on it and see how it looks. This grill has been sitting outside, kind of covered, halfway covered. And the paint that I'm using today, get a shot of it, is RUST-OLEUM High Heat Ultra. It resists heats up to 1200 degrees. And this is the semi-gloss black. Now, this is the handle that I use to do my spray painting with. It's made by RUST-OLEUM as well. I'm going to hook it up and we're going to do some spraying. I'm not going to spray the whole grill for the sake of the time of this video. So I'm going to set the camera back on the stand and I'm going to spray a little bit and we're going to see how it looks. Okay? Get this camera set back on here. Yeah, okay. Now, alrighty. I'm going to get the spray. Top off. Now, this is, again, if you can see it, this is the can right here. RUST-OLEUM High Heat. Resists heats up to 1200 degrees. It's made and formulated for grills and high heat. Now, again, this is the spray nozzle. You just mash these sides right here like this. And it goes on like that. And we're ready to go. So I'm going to start spraying. I've already shaken the can up, so we're going to start spraying a little bit to see how it looks. This handle really makes a difference. I'm really not going in any order. I'm just trying to make this video as short as possible. But I just want to show you how this paint works, how it looks. It goes on really well. I may have to do a second coat. Okay. Okay, this handle really makes a difference. I really like it because it's easy to handle back and forth. Alrighty, so now we're gonna take a closer look, although it have not dried yet, but just to show you how it looks close up, a quick paint job. I may have to go over it again. It's a little shaded area, but as you can see, it is drying. Sorry about the shaded area where you really can't see, but you can see it did cover up that rust. And this is not a gloss. It's not a gloss paint, but it looks good. It looks real good if you can remember how it looked earlier. Yeah, not bad. Not bad at all. So it's not bad. I hate it. It's a shaded area where we're painting at, but overall, I'm satisfied with this paint. I may have to go over it another time once that dry, but I'm totally satisfied with it. Rust-Oleum, high heat ultra, resists up to 1200 degrees in the heat. So if you're looking for a paint for your grill, I recommend this type of paint. All right, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.